Okay, welcome to week 2. In this week, we're going to be taking basically the winners that we found and we're going to be launching them now. So we've done our testing phase and we found some good stuff that we want to explore further. So what we're going to cover is a couple things. We're going to cover launching the campaign on GearBubble, which is fairly simple. Once you get used to it, you'll be able to fly through that pretty easily. It's just a matter of uploading the design and adding some text and setting some pricing, and then you're good to go. Then we're going to go through a couple things with connecting GearBubble to your autoresponder so you can email people, and then setting up your pixels on GearBubble and adding tracking ideas on GearBubble so you can track things both on Facebook and on GearBubble. It's pretty cool. The other thing we're going to do, we're going to create our first Facebook campaign using the Power Editor. So that is a big step, and we're going to be setting up retargeting ads as well on Facebook. So with our Facebook campaign, so that retargeting ads are just when somebody clicks your ad, they get added to an audience in Facebook that we create, and then we can run ads only to that audience in the future at any time we want. So those are called retargeting ads. And then we're going to talk about managing your campaign. And of course, we should still be testing things out. So kind of what we expect, as always, if you have a question, we expect you to ask for help. Okay, the only stupid one again is the one not asked. I'm going to keep repeating that because there are some people that will buy a course and never ask a question. And those are the people that I just wonder, like, what are you doing? You got to have at least one question. Nobody knows everything. So don't be embarrassed. Don't be ashamed. Just if you have a question, please do ask it. So what's next? Get active in that Facebook group. Okay? There's a lot of good help that's always going on there. Go through all the videos for week 2 first. Ask questions, get help, and succeed. But on top of that, we're going to be looking at constantly testing as well, because we want to have a constant influx of new designs that we're testing so that we find those winners fast. And that way we can launch those winners, scale those winners, and then make some good money.